Namaste friends, this is Priyu and you all are welcome to my channel Priyu's Crafty Wings. I hope you all are doing good. Today I will make these beautiful things from waste material. So let's get started. For making this item, I am taking a plastic bottle. Now I am cut the label with a knife. Removing this label from its body. After removing this, now I am taking a cutter and cut this from the middle. I got two pieces from one bottle. I am removing also the lid part of this bottle. Now I am taking few amount of water inside a container and adding some glue with it. Mix it well because I want to make a glue water. Now my glue water mixture is completely ready for crafting. Now I am taking a plastic bottle part. I am wrapping a tissue paper also and brushing this glue water on it. Brushing it well. Wrap this all over its body. It's completely done. Now let it dry. Now both parts are ready now. I am taking air dye clay. Now I am making a shape on it. So I am taking a part of this bottle and applying glue on it. Also I am using this air dye clay here. I am making a design with this. You can make any design as per your choice. Here also I am using this air dye clay. Now also I am making a design with molded clay tools. I purchased this from online. You can buy this. Now it's completely ready. Now it will take 2 hours for dry completely. Again I am taking another part of this bottle and applying glue on it. Making a design with the air dye clay. I am making a spiral designing. Here also I am making another design. This is very easy. So it's done now. I am taking a big size paper. This is a newspaper. I am rolling this. At the end of the paper, I am applying little amount of glue and stick it. This is my newspaper stick. So now I am taking the newspaper stick and pressing on it. Now you have to roll it. I am using glue here for sticking this. Now I am making a newspaper coil. I am adding more newspaper sticks for making this coil. So this is my newspaper coil. I am adding some glue on it. Now I am sticking its last part here. Now I am taking one part of this bottle, applying Gesso white. You can also use white acrylic color. After drying this, I am using acrylic colors here. I am taking another part of that bottle. Now I am using black gesso. If black gesso is not available at your home, you can also use black acrylic color also. Now I am using this all over its body. After drying this, I am using metallic acrylic color. This is golden color. I am smudging this with my fingers. You don't need any kind of sponge or any other things. You can just do it with your fingers. Just take little amount of this with your fingers. Then smudge this on a tissue paper. And then you can apply this on your artwork. Just look at this, it will give you a metallic effect on your artwork. Now I am using copper acrylic color. It's also a metallic color. I am using this for highlighting its parts. It will give you an antique look or vintage look. After drying this, I am using little amount of glue here. And also I am using mirrors. So this is ready now. It's looking awesome. Now I am taking another and I am using glue and also I am using some mirrors here. I am making some designs with these mirrors. So this is also ready for use. So these are my planter cum flower vase. They are looking so stunning and very beautiful, you know. You can decorate your garden or balcony with these DIY ideas. One is looking like antique piece and another is looking like lip pen vase. So if this video is helpful to you and if you like this video, please do like, comment and share this video, and please subscribe my channel and press the all notification button for more videos like this. Love you all guys. Take care, stay happy, stay cool, stay safe. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Bye bye. See you soon.